Here we are at Latitude 40 apartments. This elevator is somewhat busy.
I'm running the same video. I'm just gonna restart it when it gets to like 3.
I like to watch the numbers go down.
I already did. Picking someone up.
Yes. Can you hear the old clunky door operator from up there, from down here?
Yeah. Love to see the internals on these things.
Oh yeah, that would be neat. I'm not gonna film the inside because I can see.
There it is.
I'm gonna get my cab here before we get in.
Yeah, just levels.
It got a new snap cab.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's a Snapchat interior, but surprise.
Buttons are original. Black buttons.
Let's get a picture.
And the indicator too.
See if it works.
The outside one works.
I'm not seeing much luck with a working indicator.
Right. Oh, they're 5. No. 7, 8. 8 works.
Dang, this thing I'm holding.
Let's see your call button. Oh, look, there's an 8.
An 8. Hey, that used to be the old floor notification. Oh, and the call button's the original one. You see the call? Yeah, that's a nice one.
All right, back we go.
So we're gonna look at the button for one.
Oh, it popped out. Hey, it's an Otis pop out.
Yeah, it's not meant to be.
It's not supposed to be Otis pop out, but it is. Here, if I come get my picture.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll switch to the other side and we'll watch the indicator.
The numbers that don't work. Wait,
Oh, come on, there's
here's
one.
the one that
Why is
works.
it focusing like this? Just
And no more.
Yep.
Anyway,
Now you can just see
the phone's been replaced.
cab.
There's your Nathan.
And I guess there's a Sam too.
And this is
Not working.
nothing.
Look at the level.
Let's go to 4.
Alright,
What
we're
is
gonna
this?
get on to 4.
That's nothing.
I don't know. Are we just gonna go on to 4?
Yes. I just want to see an intermediate call station.
Alright, I'll just end the video when we get there.
Okay. I want to see an original intermediate one.
Well, I don't know why I'm watching the indicator. It doesn't work.
Yeah, right. It's synced. Have
Classic
it.
bubbling, but
Hey, I want to watch the classic
Go to
leveling.
5.
5?
Yeah.
Are we on 4? Okay.
Go to 5. You can watch the classic on your leveling. Let me hit 5 again.
Yeah, it's just not moving. Will the old UCL go? I think
6.
5 is messed up. I guess the 5 button's just screwed up.
You can't take the elevator to 5.
Right? The indicator works fine.
Yeah.
Nice.
You can see the classic under leveling.
Hey, it's floor 666.
It is.
There's a lot of 6s, and none of them are ADA compliant.
That's funny.
Hey, and there's the original call button as well. Anyway,